Province of Newfoundland and Labrador is currently in need of workers. And the most exciting news is that you don't even need to apply to any job. All you need to do right now is to upload your CV, and you will be opening yourself to a lot of opportunities in this amazing province. Once any of these employers is attracted to your CV, guys, you are going to find your way into the Newfoundland and Labrador and become a permanent resident. Your dream career starts in Newfoundland and Labrador. If you are interested in building your career and a home in Canada, our virtual immigration events are here to help. So we are bringing together employers from across the province of Newfoundland and Labrador that are looking for skilled workers like you. So register today and you will learn more about opportunities and employers that may be of interest to you and get the information and connection you need to start the process. So all you need to do is to upload your current resume, and we'll share it with companies hiring across Newfoundland and Labrador. Approved employers can search through the resume we receive from qualified candidates and reach out to candidates with the skills and experience they need. So guys, this is going to be mind-blowing. They are bringing together a lot of employers all over the province, and this is a direct opportunity for you to just present your CV in the faces of various employers that are willing to employ you and bring you over to the province of Newfoundland and Labrador. Regardless of your field, regardless of whichever sector you are, guys, this is a general and massive recruitment exercise, and it is going to be virtual, online. A good number of employers that are having labor shortages, willing to bring in foreign workers to the province, would be able to assess your resume. And guys, you might just be fortunate to even get contacted by an employer even before the event date. So this is a direct way of getting a lot of employers that you do not even know. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process of uploading your resume and registering for this event. So guys, you're welcome back. Thank you so much for the amazing support I got from the last video. If you're new here and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please join the family. On this channel, I share a lot of tips that can help you achieve your relocation dream, especially in 2025. And please do well to like this video, share with your friends and family. Without further ado, let's move on. Looking for work in a new country can be overwhelming. The platform offers a safe, streamlined place to post your resume, connect with trusted employers, and learn more about finding work, licensure, and other career-related topics. Here you can discover the in-demand occupation. Then you'll be able to share your resume with trusted employers looking to hire. So make it easy for employers to reach out to you directly. Then you can explore businesses and opportunities with our employer profile. So there will be a profile for the employer, so you can even use that opportunity to get to know employers that are willing to hire foreign workers directly. So you can also learn about professional certification and for regulated occupations, and you would be able to attend the immigration information section and ask questions directly to immigration officers. You would be able to interact directly with immigration officers virtually, guys. So just be ready for this amazing event. You will be able to also learn more about immigrating to Newfoundland and Labrador. How does it work? All you need to do is to register and keep your information up to date. So we're going to set up an account soon. Then you share your resume. The government of Newfoundland and Labrador hosts a database for trusted employers in the province. So when you share your resume, you enter our pool of job seekers. Guys, did you hear that? And employers can search for qualified candidates depending on their vacancies and hiring needs. So they have a database where your resume will be sitting. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity for you if you want to move to Canada 2025, because this province is going to keep your resume in their database, and it will be made accessible to employers within this province. Whenever they have vacancies and they need to recruit, they will just go into the database, search, and if they find your resume attractive, they are just going to reach out to you. So you could just be minding your own business and get an email from an employer from this province. So you will only be contacted if an employer is interested and interviewing you. So when you add your resume, you are not applying for any specific job, and you will not receive a job offer unless an employer reaches out to you. So if you have been finding it difficult to get job in Canada, this is an amazing opportunity. So once you get an email from any of this employer, just know that you are about to get that job offer that you've been struggling to get. I get a lot of complaints from viewers that have been looking to get a job offer in Canada. It's been difficult, I'm tired, and this one you don't need to apply to any employer. All you need to do is just upload your resume, and you could just be so fortunate to get an email from an employer scheduling an interview with you. So they are saying it is important to check your email regularly, as employers who are interested in interviewing you will reach out directly to the email address you have provided. Did you get that? So always endeavor, once you upload your resume on the site, make sure you keep checking your email for subsequent email that you could get from any of these employers. The third thing you need to do is you need to attend live events. So keep an eye out for a live event. So there are lots of events that has been scheduled already in this province, and these events are virtual. You can attend the events from any part of the world. You'll be able to meet with various employers from this province. You'll be able to interact directly with them. You would also be able to interact with immigration officers, within this province. You'll be able to ask various questions. You'll be able to sell yourself directly to these employers you've been looking for. They are going to be right at your face, where you can be able to speak to them directly. So imagine life in Newfoundland and Labrador. So there is so much to love about our province, like our natural beauty and welcoming people, and our rich history and diverse culture, from family friendly activities to the great outdoors. So it's a great place to be. And this is the schedule for the event. They are going to have a general audience whereby, regardless of your sector, your professional qualification, you can attend. They are going to be bringing employers from different industries within the province, where you can meet with them virtually and sell yourself to these employers. So this will be coming up on the 23rd of January 2025, guys. In 3 days this will be coming up. So as soon as you're done with this video, guys, register for this event and upload your CV. So another one will be coming up for the early childhood educators and primary and secondary K-12 teachers on the 28th of January 2025. So if you fall within this category, please keep that date and also do the registration. So let's see the frequently asked questions. What is the process for immigrating to Newfoundland and Labrador? So a candidate for permanent residency in Newfoundland and Labrador must have a full-time job or job offer in our province to apply to any of our 2 immigration programs. So there are 2 immigration programs you can apply for your permanent residency in Newfoundland and Labrador. So once you're able to get a job offer from any of these employers, you would be able to go ahead and apply for your permanent residency. Now let me show you that you do not need labor market impact assessment. That has always been an order, for employers to bring in foreign workers. Now you can say, do I need a labor market impact assessment? You do not need a labor market impact assessment or LMIA to register. Your employer might choose to get an LMIA, but this is not needed. Underlining, this is not needed, as Newfoundland and Labrador's immigration program have LMIA exempt work permit. So you can get your work permit and apply for your permanent residency without an LMIA. LMIA is costly in Canada, and that's why a lot of you applying for jobs, you keep saying you are not getting feedback, because the employer will also consider spending $1,000 just for LMIA approval. With this pathway, you can get your permanent residency and your work permit without an LMIA. So guys, let's register now. So you just come here and click on register today. So this is what it looks like. Here, happiness can be forever. Join us for an unforgettable virtual experience like no other. Home awaits. Unleash the magic of home from anywhere as we bring together top employers and job seekers from across the country for a one-of-a-kind virtual job fair. No matter where you are, you can connect with potential employers, explore job opportunities, and take the next step in your career journey. Register now for the next virtual event, open to people in all regions, guys. Open to people in all regions across the world, and to individuals with a background in all sectors. In all sectors, please mark that. On January 28, 2025, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. NST. So you want to check that time difference and see what the time will be in your home country so that you will not miss out. And guys, let me quickly tell you, for this event, don't log in by 9 a.m. A lot of people would have been there before you, so you can log in into the event as early as you can so that you would not have any technical issue and all of that. So, and you'll be able to position yourself well in the event before a lot of people get to come in. So don't miss the chance to expand your professional network and discover your dream job. So you just click on register now. So this is where you upload your resume. Just choose file and upload your resume. Enter your first name, your last name, your email, your citizenship, your country of residence, whichever country you are from. And they are going to ask you if you have a family in Canada. If you don't, just click on no. Then your educational level, you just select it there. Then your work experience, select your industry. Then they are going to ask you, are you fluent in English or French? You can click on yes if you are. And have you written your language test? It is not compulsory. If you have not written, just click on no. Are you interested in studying in a post-secondary institution? So if you want to further your studies, you can just select yes. So when you are done with that, you will click on register. Guys, it's also going to ask you if you have done your ECA, that's your credential evaluation. If you have, you click on yes. If you don't, click on no. It is not making it compulsory for you to attend this event. So if you have it, you can insert it, upload it. If you don't have it, you don't need to bother your head. Once your employer finds you suitable, then you can begin that process so that you can be able to apply for your permanent residence. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so if you have any question, if you're finding it difficult to get registered, just drop it for me in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to attend to you. So let's interact in the comment section.